Hello, how are you? In this video we're going to talk about Flight Open AP application that checks flights with account payable airway bills. Before going to the application, we must be sure that the flight we're working with is already departed. In this case, is this flight and it's already departed. Go to Tools, Flight Open AR, and double click on it. System will show the accounting receivable flight window. Select the flight and double click on it. Check all airway bills. More information on the video in description. And then click on Close button. Are you sure? Yes. Now we're ready for the next step. That is the one we're going to check better in this video. Go to Tools, Flight Open AP and double click on it. System will show a window with all flights that haven't been checked by this application and are in the system with airway bills. When the departure field shows OK, it means that the flight is ready to be checked because it is already departed. If there is no OK in departure field, like this one, means that the flight has airway bills on it but has not been departed. That information can help in case we need to work with that flight and it's not departed yet. To ask operations area, why is that? None of these flights had a financial closure. Select the flight we're working with, in this case is this one, and double click on it. System will show Transactions AP window. Here we can see the total of airway bills uploaded to the flight, flight information, and a list with all airway bills. Airway bills that have this notebook icon at the left have a CCA. The value we see here is from the CCA, not from the manually registered airway bill. In the airway bill list, we'll find for each one its information of type, route, pieces, weight, chargeable, public rate, warehouse chargeable, declare rate, amount, freight, valuation, tax, agent, carrier, bill to, status, and currency. If we right-click on any airway bill, system will show some options. Airway bill detail allows us to see basic information about the airway bill. Open airway bill will open the registered airway bill. Print airway bill allows us to print a copy of the registered airway bill. Here is the printing window. Open CCA. If the selected airway bill has a CCA, system will show it. New CCA allows us to create a CCA for this airway bill at a time. When you check on each airway bill, in the lower part of the window we'll find a list with all payable concepts. These concepts are in negative and in red because they're payables. This list allows us to edit, add, or delete concepts. To add a new concept, press F2 button, and to delete it, press F6 button. To edit, just modify any field and press on Tab button. For example, here. Amount must be changed to 0 in case we change the rate because the amount will be calculated automatically when pressing Tab. For example, there are very rare cases when amount will have a different value than the calculation of multiply weight and rate. System allows to set manually this value. For example, quantity automatically brings the chargeable weight, but this field can be modified too, depending on the concept. If it's a service, if it's a number of pieces, etc. For example, Let's check all airway bills one by one in order we can verify everything is okay. And then add, delete, or modify anytime necessary. We also can see a preview or print the airway bill list with their basic information. Here's the preview. And we can print with this button. Once all airway bills have been checked and verified, click on Close button. Are you sure? Yes. Done this, go to the next step. Close here. Go to Tools, Link ERP, and double-click on it. System will show Link ERP window. Depending on the company, configuration will be different. In this case it's QuickBooks, but it will depend on the company and its requested configuration. Check on the flight that will pass to accounting, in this case, the one we're working with. If we want to print an invoice in CargoLink format, check here and print invoice. If don't, uncheck it. Click on Process button. System will show how the file for your accounting system was generated. Also, we'll send a printing. It's important here to know that agent name must be exactly the same in both CargoLink system and your accounting system in order to make the link okay. Here are the invoices printed in CargoLink format. Now back to the system. Here is the log of the creation of the document. To download this file to your computer and then export it to your accounting system, close here, go to Export, ERP Files, double-click. Here you'll find a folder with the name of your accounting system. In this case it's QuickBooks. Double-click on it and look for the file with the date and the number of the flight. Right-click and copy, or Ctrl+C, and then paste it to your computer to the route from where your accounting system will take it. And that's all you need to know about how to pass flight accounting payable information in CargoLink system. Thank you for watching this video.